All right. Good morning, 11th class. Bete MS Word page is visible to everyone. Visible only to Gurseerat and Arshdeep and Chirag. Rest of you not visible. All right. Beta, this was your first subjective test of term 2. Okay. So I would like to discuss this test with you all so that whatever mistakes you have committed, those mistakes should not be repeated next time. Okay. Difference between list and tuple. Beta, first of all, whenever you get the difference question, always make the T form. Okay. Always make the T form of it. Right? Make the heading list. Second heading tuple. First point. List is mutable in nature. Tuples are immutable in nature. Okay. Am I clear with the first point? First of all, any doubt? Then list elements are enclosed inside square brackets. Tuple elements are enclosed inside round brackets or parenthesis. Clear to everyone? Now, I have asked 2 points. Let us make some more points to discuss the topic. Assignment is possible in list. Okay. Assignment in place. Okay. Assignment in place, not possible in tuple. Right? Clear? Always in tabular form, try to specify, try to represent your difference question in tabular form. And don't cut short the points. You people cut short the points. Enclosed in round bracket, enclosed in square bracket. Mutable, immutable. Don't give cut points. Make the proper sentence formation. Okay? Don't cut short the points. Again, I am telling you. Elaborate the point, clearly explain the meaning of the point. Right? Then coming to this question, now here in this, sorry, in this question already I have given the note to you. For every method, treat the original list given. All these methods were independent. There was no connection of any one method with the other. For every method, you were to treat this list as it is. This was the original list. Okay. So let us discuss first method. List dot index 13. List dot index 13. अब इसका मतलब है 13 एलिमेंट का इंडेक्स फाइंड करो. If 13 element is occurring multiple times, if 13 element is occurring multiple times, the first occurrence is to be picked up. Where is the first occurrence? This index is 2. So answer was 2. Wherever you find difficulty, raise your hand, don't raise your thumb. Okay. Next, count 13. Now this was very much clear. Count means to count the occurrence of any particular element, that how many times that element is occurring. So we are to find the occurrence of 13. 13 is occurring 1, 2, 3 and 4. So answer was 4. Am I clear? To all those whom I am clear, immediately raise your thumb. That will also give me an indication how many are attending the class. Okay. Fine. Now, list dot sort reverse true. When beta sort method is used to sort the order, ascending or descending. By default is ascending. But when you are given the parameter reverse equal to true, whenever you are being given the parameter reverse equal to true, that means you are to sort in descending order. Start in descending. Highest first, highest is 78, comma, 56, comma. After 56 we have 34, comma. After 34 we have 23, comma. After 23, next smallest we have 17. Then after 17 we have 16. After 16 we have 15 2 times. Then we have 14. Then we have 13 4 times. I told you, you are to pick up the original list. Then we have 12 and last 11. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. Now come to this question. Here problem was created by you people. Beta, listen to me today, the role of pop. Pop function eliminates the member from the sequence based on the index which is given over here. 8th index पर जो element है, eliminate that. But pop function print or return that element. Remove function भी same करता है, पर remove function element को return नहीं करता. पॉप फंक्शन पर्टिकुलरली उस एलिमेंट को रिटर्न करता है जिसे आपने रिमूव किया है. ये इंडेक्स दिया हुआ है, 8th इंडेक्स 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just write 23 over here. This was expected from you. But what you people have done, you people have displayed the list after removing 23. बेटा वो चीज तब होगी अगर लिस्ट को प्रिंट करवाऊंगा. मैं यहां लिस्ट को प्रिंट थोड़ी करवा रहा हूं, मैंने सिर्फ आपसे ये पूछा है पॉप 8. So element which has to be returned, only write that element over here. I hope I am clear to you now. Yes, I am only clear to Arshdeep. Gursirat. Ramanjit is giving no response today. Okay. Now, proceeding to the program question. Where is Harnoor Kaur? Is she attending the lecture? Harnoor 11th A is not here in the class. Okay. Okay. Aryaman, you are here? Aryaman Sani, are you here in the class? Okay. All right. Now we are to make a program. I just changed the color here. Write a program to initialize a list A. And transfer all those elements which are either divisible by 3 or 5 to the new list B. A list है, उसके अंदर जितने भी एलिमेंट्स जो 3 या 5 के साथ डिविजिबल हो जाएं, ट्रांसफर देम टू न्यू लिस्ट B. Okay, so I am taking here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 18, 21, 23, 24, 25, then 35, then 40, then 46, then 70, then 75, then 27, like this. जंबल अप करके एलिमेंट्स ले लो, बट ऐसे एलिमेंट्स भी लो जो आपकी कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करते जाएं, और वो एलिमेंट्स भी लो जो बिल्कुल कंडीशन को मैच ना करें, ताकि क्लियर आंसर पता लग जाए आपको. गॉट इट? We are to transfer to the new list B. So take a list B also with empty square bracket. Okay. Now find out the length of the list by using the len function. Okay. For I in range X. बेटा एक आपके इंडेंट की बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, लिखते वक्त आपकी इंडेंटेशन यहां क्यों चली जाती है, इतना आगे नहीं जाना, एक इंडेंट बहुत है. ओके, डोंट ब्रेक द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग. इफ a of I modulus 3 equal to 0 or a of I modulus 5 equal to 0, थोड़ा इंडेंट, b dot append a of I. क्या मुश्किल थी इसमें? What was so difficult in this question? Such an easy logic was it? Yes, tell me now, what was so difficult? Yes, Jatin, unmute.
सर इसमें फॉर आई इन रेंज एक्स की जगह फॉर आई इन एक्स भी कर ही सकते हैं.
मैं उस पे आ रहा हूं, अभी मैं उस पॉइंट पर भी आ रहा हूं. वेट,
ओके,
आई एम कमिंग टू दैट पॉइंट. ओके, अब यहां पर आपने इंडेंट कैसे किया है, यहां पे ले गए हो, इतना ज्यादा इंडेंट क्यों? प्लीज डोंट ब्रेक द फॉर्मेट. ओके, then finally print new list is print B. Now I tell you your mistakes. First of all, always print the original list. Whatever question you may get, always first of all display the original list. Second mistake, why the print P is capital? Why for loop F is capital? They are keywords. They are inbuilt function. This is inbuilt function. This is कीवर्ड. अगर आप ये पाइथन में करोगे एरर आना है, सिंटेक्स एरर आएगा. हाफ मार्क्स विल बी कैंसल्ड फॉर दिस, half will be cancelled for this. Be particular while writing the program in the theory paper. Don't change the case. I hope I am clear with all the possibilities. And you get to know your mistakes. Yes, Japanjot, please unmute.
सर while loop लेने पे क्यों प्रॉब्लम आएगी?
मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं कहा while loop मत लो बेटा.
सर मैंने एक्चुअली while loop लिया था तो इसलिए मेरी मिस्टेक
आपने बेटा, what you have done, you have not incremented the variable taken in the while loop.
ओके सर, ओके.
आपने I लिया, I 0 पे कर दिया. Wait, don't unmute. जपन don't unmute. आपने ऐसा किया बच्चे, मुझे याद है आपका क्वेश्चन, आपने बाद में कुछ ऐसा किया था शायद, जहां तक मेरा आइडिया है. बेटे आपने लूप के अंदर फिर आई को इंक्रीमेंट भी तो नहीं किया ना. हाउ आई विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट?
यस सर.
व्हाइल लूप की ये प्रॉब्लम होती है. इनिशियलाइजेशन बाहर, टेस्टिंग हेयर, इंक्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट इनसाइड द लूप. फॉर लूप में सारा यहीं पे हो रहा है. फॉर लूप में सब कुछ यहीं पे हो रहा है. while loop you have to show it separately. Initialization separately, checking separately, incrementing separately or decrementing separately. For loop, all three stages in one statement only. If you are taking while loop, okay, you take, but be particular with respect to increment and decrement of the looping variable, otherwise it won't go to the next stage. Japan, am I clear bete? All right bache. So beta, don't write this F capital please. Similarly, while loop, don't write W capital. Break B capital, no. It will result into deduction of the marks, right? Now I come to the point of Jatin. Jatin also says, right, he says we can take for loop like this. मैं यहां पे बना रहा हूं next alternative. मैं सीधा for loop शुरू कर रहा हूं, ठीक है? For I in A. For I in A. Now this time I is not index, I is straightaway element. Now in this particular when you are taking this for loop, I is index, A of I is the element. When you are taking this, it checks the membership. It checks the membership. Here I is directly the element. 11, 12, 13, 14, this. When you are taking this for loop, why this condition came? फिर ये क्यों किया आपने? No. If I, directly I, modulus 3 equal to 0, or I modulus 5 equal to 0, B dot append I. How many have understood both the logics? I change the color of this. Which color I should give? black color. You can take the screenshot if you want. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this and try in your Python. Again, I repeat, if you are taking range for loop, I will behave as index, list of I. If you are taking membership loop for I in A, I will be the direct element of list, not index. Okay? Now coming to this output question. Without solving the question, just you make your assumption and you write the output. You don't even try. You don't even pick up your pencil and give a try that at least I should try and solve the output. Directly, you people write the answer. Step by step, solve the question. Whenever you get the output question, step by step, solve it. Okay, let us make the working notes. Then I will come with the answer. Okay. X is 3, 2, 5. X is 3, 2, 5. String is given. So make the index. Indexing karo 0, 1, 2. Okay. Y is empty string. Okay. Y हमारी हो गई empty string. Okay. While X, till X is true, till X is non-zero, till X is having a valid legal value, Y plus X of -1. What is X of -1? Backward indexing 5. Backward indexing -1, -2, -3. Okay. Y plus, अब क्या करना है? Y empty string है. Empty string के साथ 5 को concatenate करो. Empty string के साथ 5 को X of -1. X of -1 is 5. 5 को empty string के साथ concatenate करो. क्या ये valid है? Is concatenation valid? Yes. Is concatenation valid? 11th, come with the answer. Yes, Jatin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is valid. So Y becomes 5. Y is 5. X colon starting नहीं दिया हुआ. Length of X -1. What is length of X? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Starting नहीं दिया हुआ. Length of X -1. Length of X is 3 and length of X -1 ये बन गया 2. ये ऐसे बन गया. अब स्टार्टिंग नहीं दिया तो बाय डिफॉल्ट शुरू 0 से होगा. हायर वैल्यू विल नॉट कम. X क्या रह गया? 3 और 2. ठीक है. तो ऊपर चले गए while लूप में. What is X now? 3 of 2. अब ये हट गया ना. अब ये चीज हट गई है. अब ये -1 है. अब -1 ये है. X of -1 is 2. Y plus X of -1. Y क्या है? 5. उसके साथ कंकैटिनेट किया 2. तो ये क्या बन गया? 5, 2. सॉरी, 5 यहां पर आएगा, 2 यहां पर आएगा. Y हो गया 5, 2. X की लेंथ कितनी है? 2. और ये हो गया 1. तो इसमें सिर्फ एक एलिमेंट आ गया 3. ठीक है, ऊपर चले गए. while x3 अब 3 - 1 है, एक ही एलिमेंट रह गया. 3 is -1, so -1 पे आया 3. y is 5 2, concatenate with 3, it becomes 5 2 3. Length of x is 1. 1 - 1 0, 0:0, x is nil, x is nil. While loop fail, while loop fail, print y. Now write the output. Y will be 5 2 3. Next line, print x. X तो nil हो गया, empty list. Okay. Type of x. Type का आंसर कैसे लिखते हैं? Angle bracket, class. What is the type of x? X was list type. And what was the type of y? String. This was the output. What was so tough in it? Yes, tell me, what was so difficult and tough in this question, 11th class, for which you make so many mistakes? Any doubt in any question, feel free to ask now. Yes, Devanshi.
सर जैसे हमने इसमें टाइप आनी होती है तो उसमें ओरिजिनल वाले को कंसीडर करते हैं कि जब आउटपुट आता है उसे कंसीडर करते हैं.
देवांशी, इट इज वेरी मच क्लियर. यू सी y क्या चल रहा है. शुरू में उसने शुरू में ही y को एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग मान के चला है, बट ऑब्वियस y में स्ट्रिंग आ रही है. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? Yes, class. I have discussed the entire test. Any other question? All right. Anybody can tell me other differences between list and tuple apart from what I have written? Yes, Devanshi, discuss.
Sir, in tuple we can perform the packing and unpacking of the elements, but in list we cannot perform.
Yeah, packing, unpacking feature is available in tuple, not in list. Okay. What else? एक और पॉइंट बन सकता है मेथड्स का. Anybody can tell me? Yes, Riddhi.
So in list method and sorted and sort method is there, but in tuple there is no sorted method and there is tuple method.
लिस्ट में सॉर्ट और सॉर्टेड दोनों है, टपल में कौन सा नहीं है?
So
sort method is not applicable in tuple. Sort method is applicable in list. Okay. What are similarities between tuple and list? What are similarities between tuple and list? I reverse the question now. Yes, Jatin, what are your views?
Both have forward and backward indexing. Both are order type.
One by one, speak the points. Both have indexing, forward and backward. First point. Second.
Both are order type.
Both have ordered collection of elements. Okay. What else?
They both have similar methods such as sorted, min, max, length,
count,
index, pop, count.
Okay. One more similarity. Two more. Both are sequences. Yes, Ariman. After a very long time, you are going to give the answer. Yes, Ariman, unmute.
सर एक तो यही कहना था, both are sequences और both can be replicated and concatenated.
Yes, yes, very good, Ariman. Keep it up. Both can be concatenated, both have concatenation and replication operation. Both can be sliced. Both can be sliced. Yes, both have collection of elements of mixed data type. What I mean by this? Both have collection of elements of mixed data type. What I mean by this? Yes, Samriddhi.
सर मीन जो सीक्वेंस हम बना रहे हैं उसमें कोई भी डाटा टाइप हो सकती है,
हाँ,
चाहे
उसमें इंटीजर भी आ सकते हैं, फ्लोट भी आ सकते हैं, और लिस्ट भी हो सकती है, टप्पल भी हो सकता है. यस, एक और फीचर है सिमिलैरिटी का. यस यस, टेल मी. बोथ हैव नेस्टेड फीचर. जैसे नेस्टेड लिस्ट है, नेस्टेड टप्पल भी हो सकता है. ओके, क्लियर? I think all possibilities, probabilities, combinations are clear. No doubt, no samasya. Okay. So next test, I hope you will perform much better. Next test will be objective type Google form. All right. So shifting towards your dictionary chapter. Python window is not opening yet. Oh yeah, it is. Is Python window visible? Okay, today our topic is pretty printing. We are going to revise the dictionary topic pretty printing. First of all, I print one dictionary in front of you. D equal to roll number 1, name Ashish, marks 90, grade A, city Delhi. Okay. One sample of dictionary I have created in front of you, and I'm going to print it. Yeah. See how the printing is coming. The normal printing of dictionary. Sometimes it becomes very difficult to read the key value pairs. Sometimes the reading is not feasible. So we want a proper format, a proper layout in which the dictionary should appear. The printing, the layout, the formatting should be attractive, that every key value pair is readable, viewable, and looks better. That is called pretty printing. And in order to achieve the pretty printing, we need to include a special module that is called JSON module. We need to include a special module that is called JSON module. With the help of JSON module, we will be able to provide a pretty printing format to our dictionary. I write the small code in the here in the script mode. Import JSON. Okay. Then you will take a dictionary where I am taking roll number as 1, name as Anil, marks 80, grade A, city, Mumbai. Okay, right? Then I am taking print JSON.dumps. Dumps is the inbuilt method, inbuilt function of JSON module. Dumps is the inbuilt function of JSON module. Okay. Here you take the name of dictionary and specify how much indentation you want. I want indentation by three space. I want indentation by 3 space. Okay. Am I clear? Let us save this code. 280122. Pretty printing. Okay. See the format. This is indentation 3. If I increase the indentation, see, indentation has been increased. This is pretty printing. Now very clearly you can read all the key value pairs. Am I clear with the JSON module, everyone?